This is the beginning of the tropical storm phase rains. That's my car straight ahead. And boy, would you believe how rainy it is. Really coming down. You can see the wind blowing the rain over there. And it's really coming down wow. It's amazing how rain falls down in a storm like this. So outside my apartment in the front entrance, you can see the rain coming off the roofs here at MeadowField Apartments in Belleview, Florida. Just look at the rain coming off the roofs. Wow, that's something. This is outside my kitchen window in Bellevue, Florida, and that little thing on the window is a lizard. So, I mean, he's used to this kind of weather anyway, so. But look at that rain come down. I just heard the thunder outside too here in Bellevue, Florida, so. This is outside my bedroom window, MeadowField Apartments in Bellevue. You can tell that the ground is soaked. You see all the puddles in there. See the sidewalks getting rain too. Boy, look at that rain come down.